Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dark Anime Robin. In this video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the Pokemon Model Kit Quick set of Mew. And before opening this kit, let's see what the package alone can show us. So it tells a very quick description of this model kit, and looks like it's saying this is very easy snap on to fitting to piece together. Like half of the instructions is already on the kit, and this is how the model is supposed to look like once all the whole pieces are assembled. And as you can see, the number here says number 2. This is because it has a number. It alone means it's the number 2 in this model kit quick series. The number 1 was this Pikachu's. And both of them are basically, again, in the series, are designed to be very easy to be put together, and you don't need to use any tools. It's basically shown in the picture here. You don't need to use anything, just basically your hands. So now let's begin opening the set. So there, just as the simplicity I just expressed to you guys, there's not a lot of pieces here to assemble, and the instruction manual actually printed in the base of the inside, in the base side of the box, so which is good, so you'll never lose the instruction. Now let's take the pieces out of the bag and start assembling. There's also a few stickers, actually only 2, that I guess you're supposed to be putting on to the kit as you assemble them. And looks like the model comes with its own stand, which is always good for any collectible figures. And let's quickly see. So the instruction is telling you to assemble the head first, and then going to the body parts and the tail, and then just snap them together. Sounds very simple, so let me get started. And the head pieces are in these A1 set, so you can get the pieces out very easily by merely snapping. So unlike most model kit, you actually have to use some cutting tools to get the pieces out from these frames. Now, despite that, you probably want to double check to see if it's been snapped clean. So you might still have to use some sharp tools to make sure nothing's got stuck on. So this piece here goes in to cover up the ice, or actually forming the ice. There. Now, and then we basically have the head now, and these blue sticker are supposed to go on the eyes there to really form the pattern and the shape of the eyes. Now here we go. These are what the Mew's eyes look like after the stickers are applied. Pretty cute, right? And now we move on forming his body. Now it's in the A2 set. And we simply put these together. Now his tiny arms. Oh, this is the left arm. Then it goes in here. No, actually, my apology. That was a right arm. Now his left arm. Sometimes the smaller the pieces, the more confusing it can get. Okay, there you go. And then we put on his feet. Seems like I almost missed a step there. And now we put the head on. So at this point, the kit is pretty much at least 90% completed. Now what's left is his tail part. Now you put the tail on. And lastly, take the stand. And basically the stand is actually a seat. So here we go. Now it's completed. Dun dun dun. Meow. So let's go over the model real quick. So as you see, it's really cute Mew figure, and it's kind of crafted into complete likeness from the Mew in the anime series. So if you are a fan of Mew, this is a definitely good collection. Unfortunately, there's a lot limitation here, and as you see, it doesn't truly have any posable features, and this seat or stand, however you want to call it, isn't exactly most stable. It allows you to let Mew to really sort of have a way of getting set on, but it's not like a snap on either, so it's very easily for Mew to lose balance in there. And again, none of the Mew's legs and hands are really movable. The only thing that's possible in this model is the tail, and as you just see, it could be easily snap off as just as easily it was a snap on, but at least it's something, right? So, but the market price for this kit is actually not so high. So I would say again, if you are a fan looking for a good-looking decorative, and again, if you're a fan of Pokemon, especially Mew, this might be a item you want to consider collecting. But if you're none of those, this may not be a good addition to whatever you're interested in collecting. And it's definitely a good idea to keep the case, because whenever you're not using the model for the display purposes. You can keep the model tucked away inside the case and put the case along away in somewhere, which that can be easily fit into a small space, because again the case itself is pretty small, so it makes it easier to manage. And this wraps up my review for this model, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel, and please check out other videos in my channel.